Is your WordPress site taking too long to load? Slow load times can frustrate users and hurt your SEO rankings. So in this video, we're going to break down the steps you can take to speed up your WordPress site and keep your visitors engaged. Hey everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today, we're tackling one of the most common problems WordPress site owners face: sluggish load times. We'll diagnose the issue, look at optimizing image sizes, dive into caching, and explore why optimized hosting is the backbone of a fast website. Let's get started. Before you can fix a slow WordPress site, you need to understand what's causing the delay. A speed diagnosis is the first step. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom give you detailed reports on your site's load time and what's slowing it down. These tools highlight everything from large file sizes to unoptimized code or external scripts. They can even show you how long it takes for your site to become fully interactive. Once you have your report, you'll see exactly where to focus your efforts. Maybe your CSS is too heavy or your images are too large. The diagnosis phase is all about identifying these bottlenecks so you can tackle them one by one. One of the biggest culprits of slow load times is oversized images. Large, high-resolution images may look great, but they can significantly slow down your website. Reducing image sizes is an easy win for boosting speed. Start by compressing your images without losing quality using tools like TinyPNG or plugins like WP Smush. This can automatically compress images as you upload them to your site. Another great trick is to use the correct file format for your images. For example, JPEGs are usually better for photos, while PNGs work well for graphics. You can also implement lazy loading, so images are only loaded when the user scrolls down to them. This minimizes the initial load time, improving the overall user experience. Next up, caching. Caching is a powerful way to improve your site's speed by temporarily storing data so that it doesn't need to be regenerated with every page load. When a user visits your site, the server doesn't have to fetch the same data repeatedly. Instead, it serves up a cached version of the page, making things much faster. You can use plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache to enable caching on your WordPress site. These tools store static versions of your pages and reduce the load on your server. But remember, not all caches are created equal. Some hosting platforms like Rapyd Cloud offer built-in server-side caching, providing an even greater speed boost. Last, but definitely not least, optimized hosting. The hosting provider you choose has a massive impact on your WordPress site's speed. Cheap, shared hosting might save you money upfront, but it can also slow down your site when you share resources with too many other sites. That's why it's crucial to choose a hosting provider that prioritizes speed and scalability. With Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting, you get dedicated resources for your site, meaning faster load times, better uptime, and more bandwidth handling traffic spikes. We also offer features like built-in caching, SSD storage, and optimized server environments specifically for WordPress. When you combine good hosting with the tips we've covered today, you'll be well on your way to a faster WordPress site. So if your WordPress site is feeling sluggish, remember to start with a speed diagnosis, optimize those image sizes, enable caching, and invest in high-quality hosting like Rapyd Cloud. Every second counts when it comes to page speed, and a few small changes can make a big difference in user experience and SEO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and hosting advice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.